Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. I'm trying a few things today, but before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel for more updates and follow me on my social media accounts. It's been great this week. We haven't had a red day. Yep, even for the month, even for a few weeks, we're always green. So if you like watching my videos, if you're learning something, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you can, please. I'd appreciate that. So today I traded plug. So in my list, I actually have, as you can see here, I have Neo, plug, and workhorse. Neo did not really work well. So Neo moved about 78 cents. Its daily ATR is 125. Plug moved more than one ATR. One ATR is 116. One daily ATR, I mean. And it moved about $1.39. That's pretty cool. And same for Workhorse. It moved about one daily ATR. But among all of them, Plug is the best. So I'm happy I caught most of the move. And look at that. So I took most of my profit here because it reached its one daily ATR. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta take all. And what I did here, I shorted it, risking probably half this candle or somewhere at 1891 or something, can't remember. So I took most of the profit here. When I saw it's really struggling at 1850, it's not breaking. This is the time I took most of my profit or most of my shares, because normally if it's still weak, it's just gonna drop and go to probably previous day close. But it's not really what's this? It's not really moving. And then I even added because I thought it's really gonna go, but it didn't. So I stopped out somewhere here. I can't remember. I took profit here, added for a break of 1850. So my average is somewhere here now from here. It's really tight. So 1867 area. So I got out there. I even reduced my ad because it's not really working. So this is where I reduced my ad, because this ad is probably not necessary because it's not really breaking. So I reshorted it when it got rejected at $19 area, and this line here 1891. I got rejected a VWAP for a VWAP and for the loss of this candle. Took profit. I'm just because I was scared for this ad, so I took a lot of 10% partials, because I need to ease myself when I'm kind of panicking. So don't judge me on this. This is the kind of trader I am. I know I take a lot of partials, but please don't judge me on this. I took 25% here, and another probably I took 125% here, and almost all out here. I was taking 10%, 10% most of the time. So it was probably every heavy drop, I'll take one stab of 25%. So I think that's what I did here or here. I can't remember. 10% because it's previous day close. There you go. Most add. So I added here because it's round number 18. I was watching it if it's really gonna hold 18 or it gets rejected. 1811 is this here. 1810, not 1811. That's the one. So I saw that it's getting rejected in there. I even added because I thought it's really gonna drop more, 1750. But took more, and I just decided to get out at break even, all out shares. And yeah, that's it. So let's probably look at what's it, Neo? Neo, yes, Neo. So a bit choppy. See, a bit choppy there. Imagine if you take 1 minute orb there. This drop is crazy. I'm glad I did not take 1 minute orb. There were no volume in the first minute. Oh yeah, because that's a good sign. So Neo only had about 150,000 shares at the open. So it's a no. It's good I did not take that trade. So next was probably Workhorse. Workhorse moved crazy. That's why I did not really chase it. It moved about 22.70, so close to $1, probably 80 cents or something. I don't know how to calculate that, but it made a really good move. Workhorse ATR is $2.71. Moved about $2.40, so it's probably a good trade as well. I was actually short bias in this one, but I'm glad I did not short it. they did not take it. So it's always great to just pick your top 3 stocks and focus on them, and make your life easy. Don't overcomplicate. Don't pick 2 stock, or like don't pick a lot of stocks. Just focus on the ones that you're good at. So yeah, let's watch. Sorry it took a while. Let's watch my live trade. So there you go, market opens. I'm actually watching what's this plug. So as you can see here, right at the bat, at the open, there's a sell-off. It's a gap up stock, but I have my line here just in case it reclaims 1891. Let's look at the first minute. I was in a bit early for this one, so sorry for that. So it moved about 17 cents actually. So let's look at Neo. No volume. What's this? No volume in Neo, 127,000. And let's see Workhorse as well. Workhorse. So Workhorse, yeah, but that's a crazy move. So let's move to my stock that I traded. What's this? Sorry, let's just rewind that. I'm sorry. So I was a bit too early there. Actually, it was risking. It was a really bad move. I should have waited to enter somewhere here. I was trigger happy again. I should have waited for 1 minute. I was in really early, 9:30 or something. So there you go. I took profit. That's a 1-to-1 move. I was risking 20 cents. So it took 10% there. When I saw on 1-to-1, I was thinking if I should get all out or not. So I was taking heavy partials, because it was not really making any downside move at 1850. I was looking if there's any huge sign. There's not much. There's no 3 digits in there. So I was just taking partials heavy. The next trade was the one I like. So, but still, I added here because I really want. My average is 1876, right? So I even added. So I took more because I'm gonna add. That's why I took a bit of shares in there. So added, hoping for a 50 break, but there's not much, I think, and just holding 1850. Let's see this 1849. There you go. It touched. Just took whatever I added because I wasn't really feeling the momentum. So new average is now at 1870 because I took the shares that I added here. So my shares, my what's this? My average is just here. I got stopped. Moving really fast. Let's fast forward this a bit because this might take a while. So I was looking at $19 here. So I got stopped here, right? Last shares. I caught probably just 1/3, not 1/3, no, 3/4 of my goal. So that's 75% of my goal. This first trade. So I added risking just high of this $19. So that's like a 30-cent risk. I took some profit. That's a reclaim of VWAP or a VWAP rejection, or $19. I don't know. There's so many terms for this. So now there you go. I saw one order in here. There's some more here showing up. So that's a good sign. That's going to go to 43 area. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Then there you go. I took 25% in there. These are all just 10% because I was just scared. Another 10%. I'll probably take, I can't remember where else. I was just taking a lot of partials here because I just want to protect my profit. And as you can see here, I always use this. 1 daily ATR of plug is $1.16, right? So it moved about 1 daily ATR already. So I caught probably 90-cent move in there for a 30-cent risk. So that's why I was taking 10%. Every time it drops 10%. When I saw it's rejecting, I take 25%. So yeah, it's a pretty good profit in here. I thought it's gonna bounce at 1850 again. That's why I was taking a lot of 10% in here. So this, yeah, it's but still I got more than an R here. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I know I need to practice my partials, but yeah. So next move was, since I caught most of the move, next move is on how to add. Not the way I add is I look for 18 round numbers like $18, right? So it's getting rejected here. You can see, and here I have a line here. I don't know where is this from, but probably a low somewhere in there in pre-market. So I added here. I doubled whatever I have left. So my new average is 1836 now. I said, okay, that's still too far. I still have enough room. Maybe I'll add risking 1810 or 1822 area. I was actually closely. I wasn't taking because it's not really a big size. So I was just kind of practicing my ads when I had a big win like this. So, playing around with my stop. So I added new stop will be 1821. So I'll probably take partial at 1870, 1860, all the way to 1750 if that's what's going to happen. So that was my plan. New average is 1821, as you can see. So I made it tighter and tighter. So normally I like looking for levels like this. 18, my average is not, it's really bad. My average should be 1830 is probably best. But yeah, but there you go. Normally when I add, I take small partials. And it goes a big drop, I'll take whatever I added here. Like probably half again. Because I moved about $1.39. One daily ATR is $1.16. So I key in this one manually by myself because there's no ATR on market views. There you go. Large orders in there. 1975. I have a funny. I sent an order in there because it could just drop heavy again. Kind of like this consolidation here. Drop when it consolidates like that at this area, it will drop. Oh, come on, take my 71. It did not take my 71. I just took I think I took 2076 or something. 5 cents away, and my average is still 1821. I should have gotten all out 1805, but I thought it's really going to continue to rip 1750, but it failed. 18 is a round number. It's good. It's a good idea if you can probably get that long somewhere here and made a higher high. You probably take it long here for 18 or maybe risk 1673 and then to VWAP. But I try not to trade reversals yet. I try to practice on my ads. So yeah, come on. Let's just fast forward this. I got stopped. I think this is now where I got stopped. Yeah. So all out there. Pretty good move. Yeah, so nothing much. Let's see what happened after this. There you go. So it actually broke the previous day closed again where I stopped. So yeah, and then oh my god, look at those lines. It's rejecting those lines that I did. Pretty cool. So kind of ranging somewhere here, maybe 30 cents. Yeah, it's kind of ranging. As you can see here, ATR tells you how much it ranges. It ranges about 10 cents per candle, at least. Here, 10 cents per candle. There's some few 20 cents ones, 10 cents and 20 cents, but this whole range is probably 30 cents. So, if you're risking 10 cents, you can get a 30-cent move, but you don't want to do that because it's a bit risky and it's time of the day that you should be avoiding trading. It's already 11:28 New York time. Yeah, so that's it. Nothing really fancy. It's still green. Green is green. So you know what to do. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more updates to see my daily live trade recaps like this. So if you like my video, please let's interact in comment section. If you have any questions, just comment down below, or if you're learning something, please send me a like or subscribe, and maybe send a comment that you like my videos too. I like hearing if someone's really learning from this videos. So yeah, that's about it. Have a good day, everyone. Cheers.